Hey up. Now then, today's recipe is something a bit close to my heart. It is approaching August the 1st at the moment, which, as all of you will know, is Yorkshire Day. We'll sing Ilkley Mor Bata. It's going to happen at some point, sorry. Some of you know this, some of you don't. I was actually born in Yorkshire, so you know, I can turn the accent on like that if you want me to. Sorry, people up north, it's a bit rusty. It's been a long time since my last visit. You'll want to preheat the oven at about 190 degrees Celsius. Now, you'll want a muffin tray. Now, the recipe that I'm doing will make about 9 Yorkshire puddings, so I'm not going to fill the entire tray. You want to put about 1 centimetre of oil in the bottom of each muffin tray. I know this seems like a lot of oil, and it is. That's life. Now the original, just out of interest, I am doing, obviously, this type of Yorkshire pudding, the single serves. The original Yorkshire pudding was actually a single flat rectangular shape, nice and flat with slightly risen edges, and it was originally served as an entree with a bit of gravy. But this is the version that my mum's always made, and the version that her mum made, and so this is the one that I was taught, and it is just yummy. Without thinking, I filled up all 12 of them. What a doofus. What's the bit I can tip some of this? No, there's no way I'm going to look coordinated doing this. Hello. Now, you three. I have the flag up. If you wish to enter this kitchen, you must sing the national anthem. Where else the bin since I saw thee, on Ilkley Mor Bata. They're in training.
That's my spot.
It's not your spot, it's a bench. So, I'm just going to pop this in the oven because we want this oil to be really, really roasting hot. So to make about 9 Yorkshire puddings, we want 3 smeggies.
Come with you.
We'll let Olivia do that one. Yep, that's it. Thumbs in, don't crush it. Just so, 3 eggs. Give them a good whisking. About 150 ml of milk into this.
My percent is actually on.
My question is more, why is she wearing it backwards? Then about 150 grams of flour. Ideally you do want to sieve the flour. You don't want lumps in your Yorkshire pudding.
You don't want lumps in Yorkshire pudding.
Okay, gently. Oh.
Ta-da!
Oh, Dad's coming home. Shall I scare Dad by putting on my Yorkshire accent?
Yes, mine isn't very good.
Right, now I'm going to give this another good whiz up. Give this a really good mix up until there are no lumps. Does not be wanting a lumpy pudding.
May I lick?
No, you don't lick it. It's not that kind of a pudding. Hey up, love. Clint's refusing to talk to me while I'm doing Yorkshire. There is the oil. Very hot, preheated. So I need to pour this in. Here comes the help. If you're going to be in here, do not touch, okay? You touch nothing. Now.
Even this.
No, you can't touch the bench. You have to actually levitate. Oh, he touched it. Now, we need to pour this in each of these. Going to fill up each of these. You have to be really, really careful not to splodge or drip it on the side, because it can kind of change the shape of the whole Yorkshire pudding if you do that. Now I think it was Jamie Oliver used this technique, just using a spoon. And so, don't distract me, Olivia. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. All of that in. And just get a spoon so that it doesn't okay. Guys, stay back please. Just making me nervous around this. Can you sit back a bit please, Aston? Right, I'm going to put that in the oven for about 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. See how they come out.
Right, they got down. Hope they grow up.
Very important, you do not open up that oven until they're ready. So, sit tight. Right, I have just pulled these out of the oven. Look at those. Look at that thing of beauty. Oh, nice and crunchy on the outside. Sort of stretchy-ish on the inside. Yum! So they are a bunch of beautiful Yorkshire puddings, and I'm going to very quickly, now I should say, really I should be doing a roast beef with this. They should be with roast beef, roast veggies, gravy, the works. August the 1st kind of crept up on me. I realised I had to do a video and I didn't have a roast beef and there wasn't one on special at the supermarket, and so true to form I went stingy and we're just having it with sausages. So, but I am going to show you a very quick gravy recipe. Normally I would use the fat from the roast beef to make a really yummy gravy. However, obviously I don't have that on hand, so I'll just quickly show you how to make a really quick, really yummy cheat gravy to go with this that's much cheaper than opening up a packet. We want about 2 tablespoons of butter, or if you're being stingy, good old value table spread. So I'm going to start heating 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan. That is all going nice and melty. I'm going to chuck in 2 tablespoons of flour and just sort of mush that around to form a bit of a paste. I want to add about 2 cups of water. And I want to crumble up some beef oxo cubes. Now, do however many you want, depending on how strong a taste you want. I mean, you'll want at least 2 of them. I usually just do it to taste. So just put a couple in, give it a wee stir up. Once, of course, you need a little bit of stirring for all the flour and stuff to thicken it up. But once it's thickened up, just have a taste and see if you think you need a third.